Before we begin, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you and your family. May this season bring you clarity, peace, and maybe even a new hustle to change your 2026. Listen, while most Kenyans sleep, a few people make more money between 10 p.m. and 5 a.m. than some office workers make in a whole week. Fun fact, these hustles are legal, hidden in plain sight, and anyone in Nairobi can start. Tonight, I'm exposing the real light hustles happening in Nairobi, the ones that pay before morning. No Uber, no Njengo, no usual side hustle nonsense. I'm talking about income streams you've probably walked past your whole life without knowing someone is making 20K, even 50K a night. One, warehouse and delivery sorting contract hustle. Big logistics companies, G4S, Fargo, Copia, Jumia, do night sorting. They hire casuals per shift, take 1,200 to 2,500 shillings per night shift, plus free meals. People sleep on this, yet it's stable and consistent. 2, nighttime house cleaning for Airbnb hosts. Many Airbnb hosts want rooms cleaned before morning guests arrive. Charge 1,000 to 2,000K per unit. If you do 5 units in a night, you get 5K to 10K. Zero marketing needed. WhatsApp groups host networks. 3, night shift food delivery, independent, no app, not Glovo. Actual night shift food delivery from clubs, late night kitchens, hostels. Partner with One Kitchen, What's Up catalog. Delivery fee 150 to 300 Kenya shillings. 30 trips equals 4,500 to 9,000. Secret, night demand for chapati, samosa, fries is crazy. 4, memory card loading and phone charging stations for night travelers. Set up near bus stops or stages. Charge 20 to 50 Kenya shillings per phone. Memory card music loading 200 to 500 Kenya shillings. Earnings 1K to 6K per night depending on foot traffic.
Karibu customer, tunacharge simu, tunakuwekea ngoma kwa memory card. Karibia customer, nunue charger, power bank, bei ni ya jioni.
5, printing and selling last minute tickets, matatu, events, clubs. At night, people need entrance tickets, matatu seat confirmations, labels. If you have access to a small thermal printer, charge 100 to 300 Kenya shillings per print. During events, up to 10K a night. 6, nighttime video shooting for restaurants. Restaurants want silent, cinematic shots when customers are fewer. Charge 3K to 10K per session. Offer weekly packages. 7 pet, sitting or guarding high-end homes in Rwanda, Kireleshwa, Lavington. Wealthy families say premium for responsible overnight presence. They pay 3K to 8K per night. 0 skills required. Trust is the currency. 8, night market pop-up stall. Gikomba, OTC, Motorua. You buy thrift bundles earlier during the day for 400 to 800 Kenya shillings per piece. At night, we sell to night travelers, fundis, matatu crews for double or triple. Potential earnings, 3K to 10K per night. Works because at night competition is low and convenience is king.
Kamera 200 jacket, kujaribu ni bure, kubeba ndio pesa.
9, document printing and emergency CV services, 24/7 cyber cafe hack. At night, people get desperate. Jobs, permits, last night documents. If you have a laptop plus printer, you serve them from home. Charge 50 to 200 Kenyan shillings per page. Potential earnings 2K to 7K a night. High ROI because you're the only option open. 10, freelance night editing, TikTok creators, and SMEs. Thousands of Kenyan creators shoot during the day and need edits by morning. Charge 500 to 1,500 per video. 10 videos equals 5K to 15K a night. 0 capital needed, only skill plus consistency. Here's the truth. Nairobi never sleeps. And in this festive season, neither should your dreams. As we step into a new year, remember, money doesn't care whether it's day or night, only whether you showed up. The problem is not opportunities, it's awareness. The people who win in this city are not always the most educated. They're the ones who understand value after 10 p.m. If you're watching this, Tell me in the comments, which night hustle would you actually try before 2026 begins? As we step into a new year, remember, opportunity doesn't only show up at 8 a.m. Sometimes it knocks at 2:17 a.m. Make sure you subscribe. Not for me, but for the future version of you who refuses to stay broke. Merry Christmas, and may 2026 be the year you finally pick the hustle that picks you back